In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build GPTs with Relevance AI. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, this process will be made simple and straightforward step by step. So let's dive in and get started. First off, you'll want to navigate to the Relevance AI portal. Once you're there, head over to the Agents section. Think of this area as your centralized hub where all the magic begins. Once you land on the Agents page, you'll see various options, but what's crucial now is to click on More. This selection will unfold additional choices that you'll need to further develop your custom applications. After clicking More, the next step is to select Custom GPT Actions. This will bring you to a dedicated space designed for customizing GPT actions. It's like stepping into a workshop equipped with all the tools and functionalities you'll need. As you explore, you'll find the latitude to innovate and tailor GPT actions precisely to your requirements. Now we're ready to delve into setting up your custom GPT. This is the heart of your endeavor, where you'll shape the foundation and specify the functions you want your GPT to perform. Spend some time here thoughtfully considering what outcomes you want and what interactions are meaningful for your project. Keep in mind that the setup is crucial for ensuring that your GPT aligns well with your intended purpose and operational framework. In this setup phase, you'll also decide on the tools your custom GPT will use. Consider the applications and data sources important to your project, and make sure to select tools that enhance your GPT's capabilities and its integration with existing systems. This is like fine-tuning the engine of your GPT, ensuring it will run efficiently and effectively once deployed. Next, you'll need to grant your GPT access to Relevance AI. Allowing these permissions is necessary to enable your GPT to harness the full power of the Relevance AI's data intelligence and machine learning capabilities. Through this access, your GPT becomes more robust, offering insights and taking actions as designed. Once you've configured and given appropriate access to your GPT, you are nearly set to go. Conduct a thorough review of all the configurations and ensure everything is aligned with your intentions. Check for any inconsistencies or settings that may need adjustment before finalizing your custom GPT. And with that, you've built your GPT using Relevance AI, a tool tailored to your specifications and ready to take on your specific challenges and opportunities. Remember, the world of AI is dynamic and constantly evolving, so don't hesitate to revisit and refine your GPT as new needs arise or as you gather new data insights. Thank you for following along, and happy GPT building!